Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a purple festival look with faux freckles. First I'm starting off by filling in my brows with the SheGlam Skinny Brow Pencil. I'm following the natural shape of my brow, giving myself a bit more of an arch and lightly filling in the sparse areas. Then I'm brushing the hairs up and priming my eyelids with the Thrive Causemetics Eyelift 360 Waterproof Primer. This is a really nice primer if you want a natural look. It doesn't have any pigment to it and simply helps the eyeshadow stick without any creasing. For eyeshadow, I'm taking the Firma 205 brush, which is a pencil brush, and I'm dipping into the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. I'm applying the purple shade called Paradise very precisely from the inner part of the crease, going all the way to the tail of the brow, using it as if it were eyeliner. Since I'm using such a firm and pointed brush, there's no need to cut out the crease, so I'm going ahead and tapping the iridescent shimmer shade called Beam onto the lid using my finger. Now that we're done with the super easy eye look, it's time to move on to face makeup and prime with the SheGlam Birthday Skin Primer. For foundation, I'm applying the SheGlam Hydrating Foundation in the shade Porcelain using the multifaceted sponge. I'm also applying the Eye Candy Concealer underneath my eyes and to my chin as I have some breakouts.
No words can change the future of us.
To cover the problem area, I'm concentrating the concealer onto the spot, and then I'm tapping a considerable amount of powder directly on top. To contour, I'm applying a cream contour stick by SheGlam to the hollows of my cheeks, the top of my forehead, on the sides of the bridge of my nose, and along my jawline. The contour stick has a built-in brush, so I'm just using that to blend, and then I'm applying some liquid blush in the shade Love Cake, which I'm blending with the opposite side of that multifaceted sponge. Now that we're done applying the cream products, I'm setting underneath my eyes with the SheGlam Baked Glow Setting Powder, and then it's time to add the faux freckles using the SheGlam Freck Please Freckle Tint in the shade Purple Haze. Honestly, the best time to wear faux freckles is when you have breakouts because the pimples just look like the freckles.
I'm holding my desires, my heart overflows. The only direction that I'll ever need.
Once I'm done applying dots all over, I'm pressing them into the skin with my fingers, and then I'm highlighting with the Space Baby highlighter from the Ofra nikkietutorials highlighting trio. Now I'm setting everything in place with the Item Beauty One Hit Face Mist, which really helps to melt everything for a skin-like finish. I'm also brushing my brows upwards with the Wet n Wild Mega Clear Brow Mascara and curling my lashes in preparation for falsies. I'm applying the SheGlam Waterproof Mascara, and then I'm popping on the Salon Perfect Winged Demi Collection lashes in the style 690 using the Kiss Lash Glue. To blend the false lashes with my natural ones, I'm tightlining with the Beauty For Real Gel Eyeliner in the black shade called Night Fever. Then I'm brightening my waterline with the shade called Heaven's Door and applying mascara to my bottom lashes. Finally, for lips, I'm first lining my lips with the Beauty For Real lip liner in the shade Neutral, and then I'm applying the Wet n Wild Megaslicks lip gloss in the shade Sinless, which is a beautiful iridescent purple shade.
No words
And that completes this festival makeup look. Which music festivals are you attending this year? Let me know in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!